Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to style this lehenga in 8 different ways, including Western, Indo-Western and ethnic wear. Let's straight away jump into the first look. I'm wearing this dark green Western blouse or top. It has got this ruffled detail on the front with these tiny little dainty buttons. Now if you look at all the pieces, the darker shade of top goes really well with the lighter shade of dupatta and lehenga, and it helps in creating this gorgeous monochromatic outfit put together. Now let's talk about the print. The lehenga and the dupatta, they both have exactly same print. They have these gold leaves all over. I absolutely love this print. Now if you look at the lehenga, it has got this green border, and this border matches perfectly with this Western top. This is the highlight of this outfit because it helps in blending all the pieces together, and here we have this gorgeous outfit ready. Now for the jewelry, I am wearing this yellow gold jhumkas. They have grey beads. Also I am wearing this gold statement ring. I am not wearing any heavy pieces of jewelry. For the choice of shoes, I went ahead with these gold pumps. Now I'm carrying this gold clutch, and that's pretty much it. I have this gorgeous outfit ready. Now if you look at the lehenga, it has got shades of beige, gold, sort of yellow, and of course green color. I think because of these different tones, it is very easy to pair up this with different kind of tops in my wardrobe, and because of these tones I can restyle and rewear it multiple times. Now it depends on you how you want to carry your dupatta, but I like carrying it the way I wear my dupattas with my salwar suits, because I think this bright color helps in, adding glow to my face. For the second look, I have chosen this really bright yellow dupatta. It is absolutely a gorgeous piece in my wardrobe because it has got embroidery all over. The embroidery has this sort of rose print. It has red, green, yellow, pale yellow, all these colors. And as I said before, because my lehenga has similar tones, beige, gold and yellow, that helps in tying up this whole look together. You can carry dupatta the way you want. You can wear it sideways or simply in your neck, or you can leave it hanging on one side. If your dupatta is very long, you can just simply tuck it from one side and leave it hanging on the other side. But if you want to look taller, you can fold it and make sure it looks narrow. Also, if there is a beautiful color contrast, that will also help you to look taller. That is a quick tip that I want to share. Now I'm simply carrying my gold clutch. I'm wearing the same jewelry, and that completes my second beautiful outfit. The way I like wearing this dupatta is exactly similar that I was wearing in the previous look, like I wear with the salwar suits, because it has got sheer fabric and the contrast with the green blouse looks gorgeous. Up next, I'm wearing this black peplum top. This is how it looks up close. It has got this beautiful detailing on the front. It fits me so well. This time I decided to wear this beautiful gold necklace. It has got white and green stones all over. It's a beautiful jewelry piece that I have. And the tip that I want to share is, now if you look at this outfit, it looks very plain and boring without the necklace. And now when you add this necklace, it elevates the whole entire look instantly. The reason is, the tip that I want to share is, the contrast of this beautiful necklace against the black peplum top looks so beautiful. Also, the colors in the necklace, they help in tying up the peplum top and the lehenga put together, and hence it is a single accessory that helps in creating a beautiful complete outfit. I'm wearing the same earrings from the previous look. I've only added this necklace. I'm wearing same statement ring, and here we have this mixture of Indo-Western wedding guest outfit ready. Now I'm carrying this gold clutch. For the choice of shoes, I'm wearing same gold pumps, and that's pretty much it. I would highly recommend you to invest in dupattas that have both gold and silver tones. This is one such dupatta in my wardrobe. It can be paired up with many different ethnic pieces in my wardrobe. Now I absolutely love it because of its bold striped print all over. It has got both gold and silver colors and these vertical stripes. Now I'm carrying this gold clutch and we have this very classy, beautiful outfit ready. Now I also want to share different kind of styling for the dupatta as well, especially for the short heighted girls. I would recommend in investing in similar kind of dupattas because they help you elongate your frame, because the vertical lines on the dupatta help you look taller. Now another way of wearing this dupatta is simply carrying it over your shoulders, and it gives me those queen or princess kind of vibes, and this outfit looks so classy and stylish. Now another way you can wear your dupatta is simply wrapping it around your neck, and this is the best outfit for the winters. And the last way is how I would personally style this outfit. I'm simply wearing my dupatta on my arms, and I'm carrying this clutch, and this is the best combination of modern and traditional wear. This time I'm wearing this pale yellow kurta. It is a beautiful kurta and it has got embroidery on the sleeves and on the front. It has this mandarin neck and this thread work on the neck, and it makes it a beautiful and versatile piece in my wardrobe. Now as I said before, my lehenga has tones of beige, gold and yellow, and that helps in pairing up both the pieces together. Now we have this really quick and simple outfit. You can reuse this lehenga in this way, and you can wear it as a wedding guest for a simple celebration. You don't have to wear dupatta, it is your choice because it has got mandarin neck, but I'll show you how it looks with dupatta as well. By simply adding a dupatta, you can create another look which is so gorgeous put together. By simply adding this dupatta, it creates a very rich and gorgeous look that is perfect for a festive wear, or you can also wear this outfit for any wedding function. Now these are the tips that I want to share with you. If you have lehengas which you already own, just dig your wardrobe and see what sort of western tops or beautiful kurtas you can pair up with your lehenga and create multiple outfits. This way you can reuse and restyle, play around with the pieces you already own, and you can create new outfits for any kind of celebrations you have. If you want to tone down your previous look and create a look which is slightly simpler, then the best example is opting for a simple dupatta, and that is what I have done here. I'm wearing this fuchsia pink dupatta that goes really well with this bright green color and also matches with the embroidery of this kurta. And now we have a beautiful color palette, but it is kind of subtle and not too heavy. You can also wear this as a dress for the multiple wedding functions that you have, or it could be your festive look as well. It depends on for what purpose you're wearing your lehenga, and this is how you can create one more look which is festive appropriate. This time I wanted to add a modern twist to the outfit by adding this beautiful western top. It is a fuchsia pink or Barbie pink baggy style western top, and also it has this beautiful neckline and floral print on the neckline. It has got color combination of yellow, blue and turquoise colors at the neckline, and the color of this top goes really well with the color of the lehenga. These contrasting colors look so gorgeous put together. Now if you see, I'm wearing the same earrings and same shoes, carrying the same clutch. The only thing I have added this time is this gold cuff, and here we have this really stylish sort of perfect example of Indo-Western wear. That was pretty much it for today. I just wanted to show you how you can reuse your jewelry, your western tops, your kurtas, your dupattas, and restyle them in many different ways and pair them up with your lehenga to create new outfits. Do let me know which one was your favorite look, and my humble request is to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.